Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You should already be signed in and using the same account that placed the order. This matters for refunds. Once open, go straight to Orders from the menu so you see your active purchases. Check the order date and payment type because cancellation windows vary by item and by prepaid versus cash on delivery. Now locate the specific order line. You want the correct item, size, and quantity before proceeding. This prevents delays and wrong item cancellations. On the order details screen, note the status. You can usually cancel if it shows processing or packed, but not after shipped. Tap Cancel Order or Request Cancellation. If the order has multiple items, pick the exact item quantity to cancel. You will be asked for a reason, pick the closest match to speed up processing. Then choose Refund Method, Original Payment, Wallet, or Store Credit, and confirm. This tells the system how to route funds once approved. After you hit Confirm, the app will show a cancellation acknowledgement and generate an ID, save it. Make sure to watch app notifications and your registered email for the refund status. Typical refunds take 3 to 10 business days depending on payment method. If you don't see confirmation or the order remains unchanged, use the in-app chat or customer support, provide the order and cancellation ID, and attach a screenshot. That usually resolves stuck cancellations quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.